Philly cheesesteak, thinly sliced ribeye, provolone, peppers, made for America. Hey y'all, love my cheese fries? Now get ready, hey, Philly cheesesteak time. Here are every single ingredient you need for Philly cheesesteak. 1.5 pounds. This is serious. Paper thin ribeye slices pips. Partially season those ribeye slices generously. Salt, pepper, garlic, Worcestershire sauce. Excuse you. The sauce, not me. Cast iron griddle, screaming hot. Caramelization appreciation complete. Onions and peppers on the hot griddle. Caramelize them until perfectly golden.
Thin ribeye onto the hot griddle salve. Chop and fold as it sears.
And the onions are M-oving to join the ribeye. The crowd G-oiled. Chef commentary. Fold those caramelized into the steak. Fresh garlic goes right into the filling. And the aroma is absolutely incredible. 3 equal Philly portions shaped perfectly the lay. Now the cheese goes on top. Beautiful, exquisite, a masterpiece. Provolone laid over each portion. Steam that cheese into pure melted, perfect melted provolone. Look at that gorgeous cheese blanket right there. Philadelphia approves. Butter the hoagie rolls and toast them cut side down until perfectly golden. Golden, you magnificent. Perfectly golden toasted hoagie rolls, Kev. Butter crisped and ready for the filling. Philly filling loaded into the golden toasted roll. Look at that cheese. 3 Philly cheesesteaks loaded and beautiful. Cheese symmetry is very important, y'all. Look at that provolone pulverizing. Philly cheesesteak, absolute pure perfection. It won't stop. Philadelphia makes strong cheese. Extra provolone, fresh parsley, cracked pepper, the finishing touches that complete everything. I am so sorry. You are just as special.
The perfect Philly cheesesteak fry, made with love for America tonight. Oh, America.
Maximum flavor density bite relay. Rib onion, pepper, provolone, all together really is incredible. Philly cheesesteak, made with love for all of America. Philadelphia, this was for you, for Philadelphia. Loaded cheese fries, crisp, golden, choosy, and made fresh for America. Hey y'all, love my Chicago hot dog? Now get ready, loaded cheese fries. Here are every single ingredient you need for loaded cheese fries. 2 cups. Skin on russet potatoes, cut thick. You earned your place here. These are gonna be incredible fries. Soak those cut fries in cold water 30 minutes, removes excess starch perfectly. Completely intentional quality check. Pat those fries completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of crispy perfection. I was not startled. I was testing my reflexes. Oil heated to 325 degrees for the first fry, low and slow first. Intentionally pale. This is on purpose, y'all. Trust the process. Butter and flour roux. Cook it 6 seconds for a perfect base. Warm milk into the roux, whisk smooth, then sharp cheddar goes in. It's happening. Smoked paprika, hot sauce, garlic powder. This cheese sauce is pure perfection. This sauce could end wars. Thick cut bacon cooked crispy and crumbled. The loaded topping that makes everything better. Last time I touched my eye after jalapeños. Fresh jalapeno rounds sliced thin. They bring the perfect heat to everything. 375 degrees for the second fry. DHT, S is where the magic happens, y'all. Pile those gorgeous, crispy fries into the cast iron. Get them all in. Crispy bacon crumble and fresh jalapeno rounds. The loaded toppings are going on. That one's a bunny, that one's a mountain, or just perfectly placed sour cream. Sour cream dollops and fresh chives. Smoked paprika dusted over everything. The final sacred finishing touch. Look at that cheese pull. Pop tap. Oh, America, love.
Loaded cheese fries. Crispy, cheesy, loaded with love for all of America. Thank you for America.
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, oven, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.